picture today?
Puro video ko na eh. Video.
Hi.
Yes, of course, video.
Video na sa.
Ay, kapuyan. Mga laagan sa Dumaguete. Ay, kamapasok-pasuan. Abon. Ote. Oy, kanindot sa Dumaguete, oh.
What I like most about
What do you like most about
they yield to the pedestrians.
I like the people. I like the accommodation. I love Dumaguete.
Yeah, so why did you come here? Why did you come here? It's nice to maglakaw na ta. It's okay, maglakaw ta. It's a tree spot. What? It's a tree spot.
Tree spot?
Tourist spot.
I like our guys because okay, videoan ko. Abi na studio ako. Ginagad niya kami sa different G-spots.
Sa G-spot mismo, sa kuan, sa...
Sorry, bossing, next time.
Ay, gamagapoy. Ay, mga sigilot among baktas.
Yes, this is our life. After 8
Bakasyon.
hours.
Yes, they told me to bring blender but they're not helping me.
DC,
Vlog out.
you deserve to bring the
Wait, this is the place for Sans Rival, yung napasalubong. This is the place, this is it.
Before na wala silang available na ano, kahit man lang isa.
Binalikan pa namin, tapos wala pa lang yung vent, wala pala silang available. As in, nakakainis talaga, kasi hindi ako talaga yun. Grabe, as in,
Grabe ah, grabe.
damo itong tao kay may na parade yan na Dumaguete.
Diba, pwede ko mo.
Plaza Nira, Ira Plaza. Ano, nakakainis talaga.
There are a lot of people talaga.
As in, ang daming tao.
Doon.
Nasa sa plaza, padung ta sa pier. For Sikihor. Delight labang ta, delight. Delight, unahig labang. Maglabang ito. Tara. Diri ta paglakaw kay nindot ang Manila. Holding hands. What's this?
Holding hands.
That's Benison. Hi. Hi, kapaso.
Amo na yung Sikihor.
Layo ka man na.
Abang gano.
35 minutes yan. Minsan siya. Wakagi. Is this a hotel? Restaurant? Restaurant.
Nagpapaktas.
Nagbabaktas ang mga bulingit, bow. Okay, they're over there. Ay, bibili pa kami ng mga prutas. aton, may ada kita Balyuan, Mags Bar, may ada liwat sila dinhi, Plaza, Indomaguete. This is the Coco Amigos restaurant. I think we're going there.
Bakit? Anong gagawin natin?
I don't know. They're gonna buy something maybe. Let's go. I think it's Gali's friend.
Yan, yan.
Ay! Ay! Ay, ay, ay. It's Coco Amigos.
What are we doing?
Hi! What are we gonna do here?
Coco Grow. What again?
Oh, we'll take a picture. I like this. Look at this. Wow, it's so pretty here. I'm thirsty.
Thirsty.
Pose. Alright, wait ha.
Hey, Ram.
Could you hold up?
Wow. Ah, yeah, this is Papa.
Picture ko.
Ilang tingnan ha?
At the far.
Ilang klaro?
Ay, ito sila, ano? Use ano, Rose, your Digi, please.
If that's the case, I'll join you.
Oh, okay.
I'll join you too.
Ingon siya. Siya pa nag-ingon nga.
Kaya dapat makita dire. Ang tanan, Rose, ang tanan. Bisan apar. I-pause lang.
Ayaw. Mapangit tayo. Ano yung original?